Here are the dollar amounts for the average cost of living index, COLI, in the top 7 U.S. states with the lowest cost of living, as of the second quarter of 2021. FYI, this information we are presenting to you is based on data from the Council for Community and Economic Research, as of the second quarter of 2021. Here are the dollar amounts for the average cost of living index, COLI, in the top 7 U.S. states with the lowest cost of living, as of the second quarter of 2021. Mississippi, COLI, 85.3, with an average annual expenditure of $39,073. Arkansas, COLI, 86.9, with an average annual expenditure of $40,068. Oklahoma, COLI, 87.0, with an average annual expenditure of $40,123. Missouri, COLI, 87.1, with an average annual expenditure of $40,230. Tennessee, COLI, 88.0, with an average annual expenditure of $40,665. Kansas, COLI, 88.3, with an average annual expenditure of $40,790. Alabama, COLI, 88.7, with an average annual expenditure of $41,101. The Cost of Living Index, COLI, is a measure of how much it costs to maintain a certain standard of living. Taking into account expenses such as housing, food, transportation, and healthcare, among others. These dollar amounts reflect the average annual expenditure for a household in each state, based on the COLI data.